Yeah, check him out. World record holder, most handsome bogan and all the interwebby thingies. Smarty cup sing chow. Hey, look, we're going to go cooking. Come cooking with us. All right, bit of cooking with the bogan. This will impress them. French toast. Really easy. I've only got the one element here. I don't know, 7. Cook up some bacon. Everyone's favourite. Bit of one of these. Bit of milk. 2 eggs. Oh. Nice. Always wash your hands, people. Give it a stir. Wait for it to go a little bit yellowy orangey. Get the yolk through the milk. Yummo, this will impress them, I tell you. They'll be impressed. Alright, just into a plate. Nicely done. Soak some bread in there, mate. Let that all soak up while your bacon's cooking. Good old Aussie butter. Gonna need a little bit of that. Would have been better if I got the pan nice and hot before I started, but anyway, it'll warm up. A little bit of butter. Plenty. Whack him back in the fridge. Let this soak up. Bacon nice and crispy. If you want to know some more about crypto, what's going on, look at what I did recently. Put all my crypto into USDT. Just watching it tumble. Enjoying it. So, it's worthwhile checking out some of the other stuff on my YouTube channel. Some of my travel vlogs. Some of my crypto vlogs. Join my Discord group. But here we go. Alright, that's soaking up nicely. A couple more bits in there. Should only take a couple of minutes to cook. Once my pan gets hot. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. There's one other thing that I wanted to do. Cook a tamati. It always goes down pretty good with French toast. Cut off the ends. Chop her in half. Straight in the pan. Right, that bacon's looking good. What I might do is put him aside for the time being. So that's all there for. Smarty's looking good. Bit of butter. Leave the bacon fat in there. Chuck in some butter. We'll start loading these up. It is there. Alright. Bit of egg left over. Chuck it in. Yummy, yummy. Oh, look at that. It's looking great. Give that a couple of minutes. Turn him over. About a minute each side. Not too long. Don't want to burn it. Puts them off. Anyway, this is a breakfast to impress. Let's have a quick look. Make sure she's not sticking to the pan. Oh, you should just give me egg flip. Toss them over. Right to that. Golden brown. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Warming back up in the pan. Get ready to plate up. Breakfast to impress. So I can actually turn this off now. Rest of the heat, it's going to keep on cooking it a little bit more. Maybe turn the tomatoes over a little bit. Look at that. And I'll show you another little secret that I do. I don't know, for some reason Ty loves sugar. There's sugar in everything. Quite often I've got to ask for food and drinks without sugar. But my little secret is bit of honey. Chuck some honey in there. Well, after I plate up, I'll just put a little bit of honey on there. Quick look. Looking good. Looking real good, Poida. Slice each. Hey. Nice. Bit of bacon. Tomato. Bit of bacon. Tomato. And then just a whisker. There we have it. Breakfast to impress. Yummo. Bon appetit. I don't drink coffee. This is amazing. Passion fruit juice. Yummy. So I'm going to serve up with a bit of that. So, yeah, no, yeah. Bogan out.